Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to present article review on instrument depression, anxiety and stress scale DAS.
First of all, I will introduce our group members. The first one is ATHIRATEEHA BINTI PAUZAN. Second, NORFARAHEEN BINTI Muhammad ZAKI. Third, ZULSYAZANA BINTI Muhammad YUSRI. And the last one, AQILAH BINTI Abu SAMAH.
DAS stands for Depression, Anxiety and Stress Scale, which was developed by Lewis and Lewis in 1995 and was proposed by Australian Psychological Society. The DAS is an instrument designed to measure the three related negative emotional states of depression, anxiety and stress. I will describe the definition of depression, anxiety and stress. So firstly, depression. Depression is one of the mental disorders and that is the most common in young people and causes several disruptions in psychosocial and academic functioning and that prevents overcoming developmental problems. According to Ademi and Beraktar, anxiety is a reaction that is unconscious and unknown by a person and that occurs against internal traits. And the word of stress, which comes from estrica in Latin, refers to a warning sign of the health and peace of people, is perceived as a warning and therefore it represents physiological and psychological reactions that are not distinct towards the poorly addressed events.
Okay, next, briefly describe how the researcher developed the instrument. According to this article, the researcher used depression, anxiety and stress scale DAS comprised 4-point Likert scales consisting of 42 items that evaluate the level of depression, anxiety and stress of the experimental participant. For each thing in the scale, there is the following rating: 0, it is not suitable for me; 1, it is a little bit suitable for me; 2, it is typically suitable for me; 3, it is entirely suitable for me. Therefore, each participant was instructed to mark the most relevant option for them, and then it is added for each scale, and the depression, anxiety and stress score is calculated. Then, describe the variables or construct. Based on the article, researchers want to measure the factors of validity and reliability of the Albanian version of the depression, anxiety and stress scale. Thus, the scale is caused by 3 components as given in the original form, which are depression, anxiety and stress.
Next, identify how many subdimensions of the scale been mentioned by the developer. There are 3 subdimensions of the scale mentioned by the developer, which is depression, anxiety and stress. As it is shown in the original form, the scale is accurate by 3 factors. Second, identify the number items included in the scale. So, the number items included in the scale are 42 items. 42 items that examine the level of depression, anxiety, and stress of the experimental subject.
To proceed the presentation, I will provide the reliability of the instrument. Generally, we all know that reliability values are values who approach to 1. According to these findings by Etan Basha and Mehmet Kaya, the coefficients for depression is 0.85, anxiety is 0.81, and stress is 0.8. As a result, all the scale's elements are consistent with one another and the scale's reliability is high.
Provide the validity of the instrument. In order to verify the original form of the scale in all factors, a first-level confirmatory factors analysis was done for construct validity of the Albanian version of the DASS. Thus, the obtained fit index value has been shown to fit 3-dimensional depression, anxiety, and stress toward an attitude model. The load factors for the depression, anxiety, and stress scale have been given in Figure 1 for confirmatory factor analysis. Conclusion: based on the study, we can conclude that the researchers are utilizing the depression, anxiety, and stress scale DASS the study of validity and reliability as an instrument to measure the level of depression, anxiety, and stress. A total of 555 people living in Kosovo was surveyed for this study. The participants in this study were Kosovo residents. As a result, the validity and reliability of the depression, anxiety, and stress Albanian form should be tested on the worst group, DASAF. The results show that the Albanian version of the DAS is comparable to other studies in terms of reliability and validity scores. It is critical to take measurements with a precise inventory. As a result, knowing the precise information level of depression, anxiety, and stress scale might be beneficial.
Thank you for listening.